see you. I see you. I feel you. I hear you. I feel you. I see you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I know how painful it is. I know how strong you constantly have to be. I know how confusing it all is. I know that it is just the deepest form of suffering, confusion, anger, sadness, pain. You're not alone. And it will all make sense. Just give it time. Just exist as best as you can. Just survive. It will be better. It will be better so much sooner than you think. Answers and clarity will be here for you. We see you, we feel you, and we love you. Nikaya sakaya nakaya tokoye. Dia nikaya sakaya nakayo. Aya nikaya saya nako. Aya nikaya saya nako. Aya nikaya seki anaya. Aya kisaya nako yesi. Hando sukoye shiki aya. Aya nikaya sakaya no. Honey, yes, I don't know, yeah. And yes, yes, I am, yeah. I know you so good, yes, you. And it is it, I can't know you so, yeah. I see, I know, yeah. And it is it, I can't know. Anderesita kaya no ko sania. Ayani kaya saya no koye. Anderesita kaya soy koyo. Ayani kaya saya no toye. Ayani kaya saya na yo. Ayani kaya saya no koyen nisi ayan onho suyeni. Ayani kaya saya neya eneresitai. Ayani kaya sanoto ese día de kaya. Ayani kaya sono yesia dia sia no toro. Ayani kaya saya no soy anakai anakai. Dia sakaya toko soy saya no tue anaki sanai. Ayani kaya saya no tue sani sanai. Tu di esai anati osu tu esi ane anu kuania ai tu si ane anu tu si ane ai tu si ane anu tu si ane. Everything's okay. Everything's more than okay because you're feeling this right now. You're not hiding from it. You're accepting it. You're purging it. You're letting it be. That is the medicine. And that's all you need to do. Take baby steps. Be proud of yourself.